What's going on, everyone? How are you guys doing today? Go ahead and hit the like button. Go ahead and get these likes out there. We're going to be doing some technical analysis on Dogecoin. It looks like Dogecoin is actually pumping right now. Did you all have a good Memorial Day weekend? That is awesome to hear. So it looks like Dogecoin is starting to pump up a little bit, which is really good to see. And on the market cipher, we are getting a little buy signal here on the 30-minute. See, we got it on the 1 hour, 2 hour. It's not been confirmed. And the 4 hour is still remaining a little bearish. Are you guys able to hear me well? Take a look at a 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart is looking good. 15-minute chart is looking great. Let's take a look at some other cryptos as well. Go here. Taking a look at Cardano. Cardano is looking very, very bullish. A very strong recovery. Let me look at the 30-minute. Cardano is looking very bullish. We have an inverse head and shoulders playing out. The move right here. Oh, that wasn't very clean, was it? Here's the head. Shoulders. Approximately the neckline right there, which we have already surpassed. So it's possible that Cardano can get another big breakout here pretty soon. Taking a look at the 1 hour. Excuse me. So it appears that Cardano is starting to head up to its previous high. Maverick, thanks for the super chat. Have you heard of the feed token? What do you think about it? Honestly, I've never heard about feed token, so I couldn't answer that question. Yeah, we're going to be taking a look at a lot of other cryptos. Take a look at Ethereum. Zoom out, go to a 2 hour time frame. So this was the all-time high for Ethereum. We have a good bit to go. To get all the way back up there, we need about 73% for Ethereum to be back. And that's really not that hard because we can get a day that pumps 20%, 30%. If you guys would go ahead and hit the like button. And if you guys want to get my trade alerts, my consultations, if you want to learn how to do technical analysis, join the Patreon. That top pinned comment, definitely recommend checking it out. You can talk to me on the phone. Help to build you a portfolio. But for Ethereum, we have a level of resistance that we must surpass. There's two levels of resistance which are very close to each other. and one is about 2890, the other one is about 3000. So we do see the same pattern playing out with other cryptos. Here's the bottom, recovery, another bottom, and we have another bottom right here. So it does appear that we are continuing an uptrend. But what needs to happen is we definitely need some good news for cryptos. You know, Bitcoin, Ethereum, some other good cryptos that will bring up the market. Definitely expecting some good news here pretty soon. It's just been a lot of fake news, a lot of false news that has been pushing up, you know, the crypto market, or pushing down the crypto market for a while. But we are seeing a solid recovery, and that's what is most important, is to see that these lows continue to get higher. However, the highs are not really getting higher, which does put us in a pattern which does remain bullish. It does remain bullish. And we'll take a look at exactly the pattern that's playing out. So we do see an ascending triangle pattern. Especially for Ethereum. Which is good after a consolidation, after a drop. See a drop, and then you see this consolidation pattern in here, and eventually somewhere in this area you should get a pretty big breakout. And this breakout will bring a lot of excitement into the market again. You know, when things are going down, people are fearful. There's not a lot of people searching and investing, and the hype is gone a little bit, which is fine because the hype comes and goes. The hype can't be constantly 100%. And so if hype is kind of dying out of the market, you will see things sell off. You will see dumps. You will see sideways trading until one thing comes out. One good piece of news comes out. Tesla says they're buying Bitcoin again. Tesla says they're buying Dogecoin, and we'll see cryptos go crazy. Take a look at Bitcoin here. We are seeing the same pattern. It's just a little bit more conservative. Especially from this correction. We're seeing an ascending triangle pattern, which is good for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is recovering. We have V-chain, inverse head and shoulders playing out right here. And we will get to Doge in a second. Yes, we'll get to Doge in a minute. We have the neckline right here, and we have the breakout. So that was the breakout. Probably a good area to buy here. Ethereum Classic recovering very strongly. We have the Binance Smart Chain recovering strongly. XRP is very cheap right now, very cheap. I love this price right here. XLM doing well. Crypto market cap is also doing well. Bitcoin dominance is lowering, which is good for altcoins. Let's take a look. We're gonna go to Dogecoin. Shiba Inu is recovering very, very slowly though. A lot of the hype has gone out of that. And Matic is doing very well. Matic is recovering very well. So this should be the area most likely we will come up and test maybe these highs right here. The Matic is looking good. Everything is looking good. It's not playing out very fast. It's not going up very fast, but it will go up soon. All right, back to Dogecoin. Back to Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is actually recovering very well. We have the first bottom here, second big bottom here, the third big bottom here, which was May 29th, and then we started to recover very nicely from this point. And it appears that Dogecoin is starting to head up now, which is good to see. So we are seeing a bit of a slow recovery with cryptos, but they are recovering and starting to move up. Once these cryptos start to confirm their recovery, we will see more hype come into the market. We also have a bunch of really good catalysts that will be taking place for Dogecoin in the near future. Yes, we are at a form of consolidation because we do see a bit of sideways trading. Look, the movement is not really going up, it's not really going down, but the key point to take from what is going on with Dogecoin is that we are recovering. We've recovered from this point and we're headed up. We're going to continue to head up unless something happens to bring it down. We also have Coinbase. They're going to be listing Dogecoin here very soon. But with the good catalysts that are coming and they're happening for these cryptocurrencies, there needs to be a bullish trend in the market. If there is a bullish trend in the market, you will see massive pumps on the events. If the market is not bullish, there probably will be pumps. And all of that hype into one coin can bring a lot of hype into the other coins. If you guys would go ahead and hit the like button if you love Dogecoin, you want to see some more technical analysis, hit the like button. If you want to join the Discord, see where it is. If you guys want to join the Discord, go ahead and join through that Patreon link that I have posted, where you can also get my trade alerts, my updates on the market, my private updates in the market. You can talk to me on the phone. You can learn technical analysis. Definitely recommend it. So we do have an up and coming catalyst in the relative short term in about 8 days from now. And that is 6/9, June 9th. Now there's a lot of Dogecoin YouTubers, there's a lot of people that are big in Dogecoin. That are expecting this date to be huge. That are expecting a big pump. So with Dogecoin, there's a lot of events, especially meme dates. There's dates where everyone tries to get together to hype things up. And also Wall Street bets and all of the Reddit stuff. People are saying that 6/9 is going to be a huge pump day for Dogecoin. So it'll be interesting to see how that will play out. But if we do get a big pump leading up to the day, I would definitely be looking to pull out before that time. To pull out the time, and if there's nothing really big that happens, people will be like, nothing's happening, everyone sell, everyone sell. And you'll probably see a big dump, but that would be also a great buying opportunity after the dump. So what do you guys personally think is going to happen on 6/9? Do you guys think we will pump up until the day beforehand? Maybe that day, that morning, maybe that night we'll get a pump. We'll get a series of pumps. Ryan, thanks for the super chat. He says, hi Miles, are you bullish on SHIB too? Or do you have concerns about it? You mentioned the hype is gone, so I wasn't sure if you liked it or not. Personally, I don't recommend super hype coins like Shiba Inu. It's not really recovering as well, but maybe this would be a good time to buy Shiba Inu while it is down. Because once the hype comes back into the crypto market, which should not be too long, you know, cryptocurrency like Shiba Inu could certainly jump up a lot. And make sure you guys go ahead and hit the like button. I'd appreciate it. And if you guys want to get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,200, it's a good platform to buy Dogecoin with and other cryptos. Definitely use my Webull link in the description below. Just exit out the live chat, go in my description. You can join the Discord and everything through the links in my channel description as well. But maybe Elon Musk will announce. You're welcome, Ryan. Maybe Elon Musk will announce that Tesla will be accepting Dogecoin for payments. Brian, I appreciate it. So I'm going to be making a video on it tonight. Make sure you guys check out that video and check out my latest video. Definitely recommend checking out my latest video. And Gabriel says, I heard of when Coinbase lists, there will be a big spike of 90%. Historically, when cryptos are listed on Coinbase, there is a lot of hype. And there are pumps, especially the days leading up to it. So once we get some news from Coinbase saying, hey, we're planning to launch Coinbase next week or in 2 weeks on this day, Dogecoin will start pumping because people will try to buy in before the massive pump and then try to sell off. Make sure you guys also follow my Instagram and Twitter if you guys want to stay up to date with my life and get some good updates on those platforms as well. And look at Cardano, guys. Cardano is actually doing very well. It's approaching to break the level of resistance, which if this continues, we will probably see a pretty decent pump. Ethereum starting to see a little bit of green. Seems like cryptos are starting to see a little bit of green, which is good. Cryptos are forming a bullish flag, which continues to play out over and over again. Look, this is just VeChain, but I'm going to give you an example. Look at these 2 bullish flags that played out. Exactly. And I called these out a while ago too. Look at this pattern on VeChain. It's just a good example to use. But just to give you an example, look, the same pattern plays out. After recovery, we had also an inverse head and shoulders here. There's a bunch of just bullish patterns that ended up playing out. But look, this is the bullish flag. It played out perfectly and pretty much went up exactly to this length here and then came down. And we're forming the same pattern again. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do break out, you know, to this level here. And this same pattern is playing out. Is playing out with these other cryptocurrencies. Dogecoin as well. Look at Dogecoin as well. A little bit different looking. That's why we go to the 1 hour to confine it. The flag pole is longer. Hopefully that'll take us to 37 cents. If we do get another pump, hopefully that should take us up. Connor asks, so should you sell before the catalyst day, but buy the pump prior to it? You want to get in before the pump. You want to get in before the catalyst. And then you want to take your profits after a decent pump and wait for a big drop. That's when you want to get in. But look, Ethereum is playing out the same way as well. Take a look at Polkadot. Polkadot exactly the same. Chainlink. Shiba Inu is forming a bullish flag. Bitcoin dominance is continuing to lower. Bitcoin dominance is forming an inverse head and shoulders, which it is now at the level of the neckline, which if it does break out below, we will see a big dump with Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin probably would drop a little bit, but you would see altcoins begin to start pumping very strongly. And we have seen a lot of whales in the past only buy 69 Dogecoin. So 69 is a number that's associated with, has been related to Dogecoin in certain capacities, which might be able to be a huge day on June 9th. It might be a huge day. Bitcoin is continuing. Bitcoin is, it has recovered. It is recovering. But it's certainly not moving up very strongly. If you guys want to get my trade alerts when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, I put out alerts, updates every day. Keep you guys informed when the market drops, why the market drops. You can join the 4,000 member Discord. You can also talk to me on the phone. I can teach you how to do technical analysis. Definitely recommend checking out. It's a very awesome platform. So where are some of you guys from right now? Go ahead and hit the like button if you haven't already, if you want to see some more technical analysis. Let's also take a look at AMC though. Let's see what AMC is doing. That's so funny. AMC is doing very well. It's up 24% right now on the day. This thing is continuing to head up higher, forming a bullish flag. Okay, so we have some people in Miami, Russia, Malaysia, Canada, Philadelphia, South Carolina, Connecticut, New York. That's awesome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am from Florida. And this one guy says he's from your mom's kitchen. It's pretty cool. I like that. I like that. So Dogecoin back up to 32 cents. Let's do the 5-minute chart. And the 5-minute chart forming another inverse head and shoulders. We keep seeing these inverse head and shoulders play out over and over and over. Let's see if we can break out of this. The 1-minute chart remaining bullish. And I am in Tampa. All right. Sorry about that. Did that break your guys' eardrums? Elon Musk turns 50 this month. If this is his favorite cryptocurrency, what do you think he's going to do? Nice, Lenoy. Yeah, that was loud. Sorry about that. I'm sure it broke your eardrums. But Dogecoin is moving up here, guys. We're looking at the 1-minute time frame. Ethereum is moving up a little bit. Ever since 123, we started seeing some upwards movement. If you guys want to learn about indicators and everything, just join the Patreon. Just get some of the teaching the hourly courses and things like that. Bitcoin is starting to pump up a little bit. Might have to make some trade alerts. Annoying, I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Good to see some green. So Dogecoin is headed up to about 33 cents. Let's see if we can make 33 cents here. Might have to put a trade alert right here, fellas. Honestly, the trade alert should have been 31. I like this buy right here. Cardano is looking very good. Appreciate all the support. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Making a trade alert on the Patreon right now. Yeah, everything is looking great. So that's it for today. Make sure you guys stay tuned. I'll be making a video later today. Should be released around 8 o'clock, 8:30, 9 o'clock, somewhere around there. Thank you guys for stopping to the stream. Appreciate all the support. And you guys have a good day. Thank you.